Samsung Knox is a secured Android platform that provides you an end-to-end solution for both enterprise users and personal users. It totally isolates the data between the personal side and the environment for the enterprises. It's not just a dual persona, but it actually provides you a hardware-level security, starting from the trust zone, which is inside the CPU itself, and then on top of that, the kernel, the operating system, and the application layer. Each layer has a very stringent high security measurements implemented to prevent any kinds of hacking, just like the Fort Knox in the United States.
Hi, I'm here to present Samsung Knox cloud-based enterprise mobility management solution, also known as Samsung Knox EMM. It is targeted for small, medium businesses from 1 to 500 users. And you don't need to be a genius or IT expert to manage your employees, or your enterprise, or your business, small business solution. What I have here is the IT admin UI. What you see here is a dashboard. It indicates exactly where your users have logged in, when, and how many times. You can also go to the Users tab, and here is where you can add users and see who has an account in your company. Along with that is the next tab, which is Apps. So with Apps, you can purchase our applications from Samsung Knox Marketplace. These are all SaaS applications, but you can also purchase Android applications as well and push those to your device. So for example, we have Box, we have Apon, we have Uendo. Finally, devices. By clicking on devices, it'll show you the devices that each of your employees are using. So in this example, I'm going to show you Alice Allen. So Alice Allen's device provides details about the device itself, the battery, the IMEI, almost every detail that you need to know about the device itself. You can also manage the container. So here you can create a container, remove the container, disable. So it's really important for BYOD. If they ever lose their device, you can lock down the container so it's always secure. Finally, one of the most important things is policies. You want to make sure that you have the right policies for your small, medium business. So I'm going to select this policy here. For example, what we can do is the general restriction settings. So by clicking restriction settings, you can then determine what you want or what you don't want your employees to do. For example, you can allow or disallow the use of NFC. So for this example, I can say, no, I don't want my employees to use NFC. So then on the flip side, we can look at the user portal now, the end user. As an end user, you can log into the Knox portal, and what you will have is the applications that your IT admin has assigned to you. One of the greatest features of Knox EMM is single sign-on. So all these applications use single sign-on. So you click on Box, and you automatically log into Box without having to use any other usernames or passwords. It's all there done for you automatically. So on device, you have the same thing as well. You can go to Knox. And then in Knox, you can go to Knox Web Apps. So within Knox Web Apps, you have the same three applications. For example, we have the Box, K-Card, HR, and Evernote. By clicking on Box, you also have single sign-on. As soon as I click on Box, you're now logged into Box. It's a very simple, easy, and intuitive solution provided by Samsung Knox EMM.